Our top lead, and you've probably heard this by now, the 2000 rupee note that entered our lives in 2016 is no more. It had made a grand entry in our lives on 8th of November 2016, a date embossed in the collective memory of the nation as demonetization. It was a nightmare. 500 and 1000 rupee notes were phased out and the 2000 rupee note was introduced. And oh my God, the chaos that had ensued. Today, the RBI has withdrawn the 2000 rupee note. Though it will continue to be a legal tender, the RBI is asking all citizens to get this 2000 rupee note exchanged at banks by September 30th. Banks will start doing these exchanges starting May 23rd, so you have time. But at one go, you can only get 10 2000 rupee notes exchanged at the bank, which means at one go, only 20,000 rupees. Question is, why did the RBI decide to withdraw the 2000 rupee notes? Essentially, the RBI says the 2000 rupee note is at the end of its life cycle of 4 to 5 years. They say that every currency, every note, the life cycle is 4 to 5 years. And as far as the 2000 rupee note is concerned, it's at the fag end. And the RBI is arguing that in any case, 2000 rupee notes are only 10% of the notes currently in circulation. Also do remember that the printing of these 2000 rupee notes had stopped some 4 years ago. And honestly, if you look around, you will see, maybe you should look in your purse, because I did look into my purse and I don't have a 2000 rupee note in my purse. In fact, I don't remember the last time I saw a 2000 rupee note. Demonetization had wiped out 89% of India's cash and citizens had to go through hell. But my guess is we will not see those long queues outside ATMs or banks this time because, as I said, the 2000 rupee note is just 10% of the currency we are using right now. Let me go across to someone who understands money better than I do. Kishore Subramanian, you're a financial expert. Can you please help me understand what a citizen should do right now? Anyone who's watching you and you're in a car, so thank you for doing this. You probably were from place A to place B. But what's your advice as a financial expert to citizens who are watching you right now? What if I have 5 2000 rupee notes with me right now? What should I do?
Okay, so first point is that this is one more attempt to clean up the system and ensure that the black money is completely wiped out. I know many of the naysayers are going to question the timing, going to question it and make it political in terms of ensuring that, has it happened after Karnataka election? What's going to happen? The 24 elections are coming. So let's be very simple. Answering your question, Shreya, first point is that you can comfortably send somebody to the bank and change it, because I'm sure you and me, people who are clean and honest and above the board, do not have stashed cash. So who is going to be affected? The people who have stashed cash. And where is the sector where the stashed cash is very high? It is A, real estate, B, the business of politics, C, all large business individuals who have cash. As far as organizations are concerned, I don't think so they deal with cash. And this time around, 2023 September 30th being the last date, you have 5 months clear, so it's comfortable. But one thing, will this have a dent on the political image of BJP? My personal gut is maybe yes, but you need to be understanding that this is a consistent attack on black money and this is good for the economy. The explanations of RBI is fair, and I think it is that the clean note policy is coming up. 2019, they stopped printing it completely. The circulation is very low, but substantial large cash stashes would be available with people who are holding black. That's my take on it.
So you're telling me, like me, there are many honest citizens in this country, including you, honest tax-paying citizens who will not have this 2000 rupee note because, as far as I remember, I've not even seen an ATM dispense 2000 rupee notes anymore. I mean, I withdrew cash just this morning actually, and I think I got just 500 rupee notes. I didn't get any 2000 rupee notes. So that is telling me that when the government says and when the RBI says that only 10% of the notes in circulation right now are 2000 rupee notes, they are bang on, which is why probably the citizen will not feel the pain that they felt in 2016. But Kishore Subramanian, I don't buy this argument of, this is an attempt to clean up the economy of black money. How, wo to 2016 mein hona tha. It is 2023, it has not happened.
Okay, so you don't buy the argument that this is an attempt. Let me tell you that 2016 attempt was also the same. The fact that it failed in 2016 and it may again fail this time is the simple reason that the average Indian is very, very smart in converting his money. Last time he paid 5%, 10%, whatever. There are going to be enough Joes on the field who are going to do this conversion again till September. Be rest assured the same thing is happening. So the end objective will be met or not, I don't know. But political opponents would be hit. That is where the aim is probably. I can only second guess. I'm not a part of the government. That's the aim according to me.
Thank you, Kishore, for joining us. I don't care about the politicians. I just care about regular citizens like you and me. Is this going to impact us in a minor way? It may impact us. It is what it is. The RBI is saying that they are, putting 2,000 rupee notes out of circulation. You have a 5-month window to exchange it. So don't panic. Do it at your own pace. Will we see the long queues that we saw in 2016 during demonetization? We'll just have to wait and watch. But my sense is maybe not. Maybe that. Hopefully, and maybe all of us have learned a lesson and the government has learned a lesson as well. We'll leave it there for the moment, Kishore. Thank you very much for joining us on our top lead.